structures that we're going to show you how we created today. So this one here, we created it. It's like a half structure, and we added a chandelier to it. And here we have the roses and the orchids. This one here is a higher structure, and we also added roses and orchids to it. First, we used the pool noodles, and we added it to our structure with zip tie. So I'm going to show you how we assembled the structure and add the pool noodles to it. They come in pieces like this, and all we do, we just assemble them. Turn the screw. So we just add the numbers and the letters just so it's easier. So when we go on site, we know exactly where to add the pieces. And these are perfect if you want to hang balloons on them. You have to hang anything off of it, like the letters, the light up letters. It's easy because you have these to put on there. We're going to now add the pool noodles. I have to join them together because it's not long enough. Now, if you're looking to buy these structures, you can just send me a message on my Instagram, and the link will be in my bio. It's Event Queen on Instagram. Just send me a message, let me know that you saw the video on YouTube and you're interested in purchasing these structures, and I'll give you a price. And the pool noodles, you know, you can find this anywhere. Dollarama, Dollar Tree, Walmart. Also, if you don't have enough time when you reach to your event that you have decorating, you can just use each section, put the pool noodles on top of it, or even foam, whichever method you choose to use. You can add it to it before you get to your event, before you get to the setup. You can even add the flowers because remember, they come in sections. So we're gonna be showing you how we're gonna be adding the chandelier on to the structure. And we're using that hook. We're hooking it right through. And then we're gonna secure it with the zip tie. So it's gonna look just like the chandelier in the back on the higher structure. Then we're just gonna cut the zip tie. And now we are ready to assemble our flowers. So as you can see, this chandelier is a little bit higher than that one there. So I suggest you go the lower route, because when it's that high and you're using candles, which I would suggest you use battery operated candles, but if you decide to use real candles, you want to watch the floral, how low it is to your base of your chandelier. This one here, you have a lot more room to design. So this is why we did it a little bit lower in this one here, okay? So I'm gonna start off with my hydrangeas. So we will not be adding any greenery to this design. This is gonna be all flowers. I like to do it this way first because you can see where you're gonna be adding your roses. I like to use hydrangeas because it takes up a lot more real estate in your design. You add your orchids right now too. I usually add the orchids at the end. The orchid doesn't matter when you add it. And so this higher arch structure that we're gonna be doing, I'm not finished it yet. We're gonna actually add flowers along the bottom. I just want to show you what it looked like before I add the flowers, okay? Some people would prefer to add just sheer material at the bottom. If you don't have enough flowers, or if your client's on a budget, you can always just add sheer material or thicker material at the very bottom of your structure. But today we're going to complete it with flowers, okay? Now, moving along to this one. So now we're going to be adding the roses. So the roses, they come in bundles. I just pre-cut them. Try to make sure that all the zip ties are covered, able to see them at all. Because I just place a flower right over it. Okay. We're just gonna continue to go right along down, right down to the side. So I'm gonna continue, we'll get right back. So this is our finished product. Now we're going to add the bride-to-be, but then we decided that we were just going to leave the chandelier. Also, I just made a quick flower arrangement for the bottom here. And so we'll just add that to the bottom just to give it a different look. Then we added some candles. These tea lights. You can use any candle that you choose as long as they're short, but like what I said, the best ones are battery operated candles. So we're gonna light them and then we'll show you the finished product, okay? Hey Royals, we are done. What do you think? So all three structures are completed with hydrangeas, roses, and orchids. And we added tea lights to the chandeliers. So there you have it, our 3 floral structures. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and click the notification bell to know when we post again. Have a blessed day. Thank you.